Welcome back. I'll be showing you how to make hair conditioner that is used for treating dry, damaged hair and for itchy scalp. To make this oat cream hair conditioner, I'll be making use of 4 tablespoons of oats. Oats is rich in fiber, vitamins, minerals, and protein, which will help to moisturize your scalp to prevent dry hair. I'm going to be adding 2 cups of water. Then I'll allow it to cook. From time to time, you need to stir to avoid burning. When you have noticed that it has softened, remove from the heat and allow to cool. When it has cooled, I'm going to add into the blender and blend until smooth. So with a chiffon cloth, I will strain. It is very necessary that you strain this because to avoid any residue from the oats. Finally, the oatmeal hair conditioner is ready. Use this as a conditioner to condition, detangle, and soften your hair. Pour it on your hair. Make sure that you massage properly so that it will touch your scalp, the roots, and every part of your hair. Then after that, you can cover your hair and stay for about 30 minutes. Then you can rinse out with just water. This oat hair detangler or conditioner at least 2 times a week. It will help to soften your hair, detangle your hair, moisturize your hair, and also help to control dry scalp. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.